Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Today we are doing a plan with me. Sorry that videos have been sporadic. It's just the way life is right now and just craziness, and yeah, so hopefully we will be on schedule from here on out. I just have the Boho Christmas kit from my shop. This is the mini kit with the add-on sheet, and it just looks like this. It's so cute. Very boho. You could even use this just as like a winter kit. The only kind of Christmassy thing is like the tree and maybe the presents, but you could easily use this into January. So I also I raided my stash and was like, where's all my Christmas stuff? So I have all this stuff from last year, stickers from all these awesome shops. And then I have, these are new. They're from SparkPlanner. I've already used one of them last week, right here. SparkPlannerLife, she is a friend. I think I'm gonna use this one today because it is snowing right now. And then I got some headers and then these ones, which I'm gonna use next week for Christmas. Also, I'll have her shop linked down below, and she also has a YouTube channel, so I will link that down below too. So let's get into this because I have stuff to do. We have carpet going in on Friday, and that's like literally the only thing I have going this week. So it should not be a hard week to plan. I'm really excited because my planners that I bought for next year, one of them has shipped. I think the other one should ship this week. So I don't want to say anything. I think several people have guessed it, but I just wanted to be a surprise. I'm going to do a video about each of them, or one like showing them, and then I think I'm going to do like a setup video of each. So I once again forgot to print out, oops, that's not what I do. Print out date covers for myself, but that's okay. I actually kind of really like the way the header is. And if you can hear my heater right now, it is what it is. Like I said, it's snowing outside, it's cold. If you're watching my Vlogmas on Instagram, you'll know that my office window leaks, and so it's really cold in here, like colder by like 6 or 7 degrees compared to the rest of the house. So I really need the heater on. But how is everyone's week going? Holiday season. I finally was able to do some decorating in our living room. I wanted to decorate my office, but that's just not going to happen this year because, like I said, Friday we are having carpet put in, and that's in my office, so I have to like move everything from all our bedrooms and stuff into the living room and stage it there so they can put the carpet in. So not the most fun, but it is what it is. I'm used to it in LA. I guess I asked a couple friends and they're like, no, I've never had them do it for us. But in LA, our carpet people or flooring people in general always move to the furniture for us. So I find it really weird that they won't move it here. So, oh well, no big deal. I think I'm going to actually do something different and use some of this, an extra strip, to be the in-between of my habit tracker. I should really get my slice tool out, but lazy pays now, and I actually did a fairly good job on that. So I'll just do this. Probably not even gonna see this part. There we go. And then get my habit tracker, and I'll use this one. Just being different. I'm really excited for my planners. I have 2 that are like decorative ones. Like one's gonna be specifically for the shop because I don't think I'm gonna continue using my daily planner. We will see if this one works out for me, then that will be my planner versus the daily one. I like the daily planner, but I feel like it's got a little too much space for me. So yeah, today's Tuesday. I'm just gonna put this down because so I don't forget. Okay, so let's put down our full boxes. Monday, I'm just gonna put, oh no, I wanted to put one in here. I'm gonna put it here and then put the let it snow over it. Oh, I see a daisy. There is a chance she will be noisy. I think I'm gonna use the sleigh rides and hot cocoa instead, because I can use the, because I can use the let it snow in like January when it snows, but I feel like this is very Christmassy, even though you can do that in, oh, that's so cute. And my butt is being attacked by a daisy bell. Let's see, so many cute stickers. Monday, let's do Wednesday. I know there's not gonna be much on Friday. She attacked me again. So I'm just gonna put this one here. I guess we'll do I feel like Thursday's gonna need a checklist. So I'm gonna do this one here. And I'll do it above. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Okay. Now, sorry, you're out of frame there. Now we can start decorating. Let's see. Do I have, I think I do, like a payday sticker? No. Maybe, what would be good for like payday? I'm so brain dead right now. Do these little like fireworks, like yay, we got paid. Yesterday I had like a little cold, so I just did not feel good. So I'm just gonna put this one down, and then I forgot to grab other regular stickers. I only grabbed the Christmas stickers. You can tell what I find important during this time of year. Yeah, I'm such a dork. I think I'm gonna do something. I don't normally do this, but my friend Gwen does this, and it always turns out super cute. So she'll like pre-plan where she's gonna put a box and decorate it, and I'm like, how do you know that's what it's gonna, but I'm gonna just do that because I think that would look really cute. And I think this one needs an overlay. So let's go back to our overlays. We have Merry and Bright. Some people are worth melting for. Santa is coming to town. How about this one? Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Since it's kind of like boho-y. That's so cute. you know I'm not one for foil usually, so, but for some reason during this time of year, I just love all the foil. So I'm gonna use this one to say it's snowing, and then I need one for Friday. No, this is Friday. Crud. Good thing, oh, just tore up the paper just a tiny bit, not a big deal. There we go. No, there is another half box, there it is. It's like there's 3 in the kit, I know this, I make them. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, these are from Clever Gal Crafts. I think just like a cute little heart. We're doing with the coffee cup. I'm gonna do the coffee cup because they're gonna be here early. So we're gonna do that as kind of a reminder. There goes the postman. And then Saturday and Sunday I have nothing planned. Like the rest of the week I have nothing planned at all. Nothing at all. I feel like I should have done this one different. Let's see if we can get this up. I should have put it in the middle of the two. I think we can get this up. Ah, yes. Now the tricky one, because it had one on top of it. Woohoo, I did it. So I'm actually gonna move it. Do it like that. And not lay it down crooked. That would be helpful, Melissa. There we go. And then put this one in between. I think that looks a lot better. Okay. Today, whoa, I am just getting stuff done. So shop stuff. I was gonna put in a to-do list. I'm gonna put it in on Saturday. There we go. Oh, it's so crooked. There we go. Awesome. Okay, I think we are done. Looks so cute. Love it. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, and to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out the video a lot, and my channel and my shop and all that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.